The list begins with a smiling Lily Kreitz. Miss Lily celebrating her big 3rd birthday. Have a great day, kiddo. She's in Auman.
The Morgan twins in Nevada turning 10 years old this year. We've got Loralie on the left there, and then Logan Morgan as well. Happy birthday.
In Pittsburgh, Cletus Francis celebrating an 18th birthday. Got the graduation cap ready to rock. Good looking picture, my man. Happy birthday.
In Chanute, Kansas, Dylan Misener celebrating birthday number 23 this year.
How'd that dude turn? He's already 23. Man, time flying, man. Happy birthday, Dylan. That's crazy. Chelsea Shrum, she's celebrating her 39th birthday. Ready for football season already. Happy birthday, Chelsea, in Iowa.
Blair Hirschman turning the big 4-0 this year. Happy birthday, Blair. Hope it's a great one in Nevada.
And Jason Beard celebrating a 43rd birthday. Good looking picture right there, Jason. Happy birthday in Columbus.
Glenn Wrestler Jr. turning 63. Check out that bike there. Glenn is in Chanute.
And Patty Ridenour with love from the whole family, Patty. What is that she's holding right there?
I think they're little Elvis dolls.
Ah, they are. I love that, Patty. She is celebrating her birthday with the King and Weir.
All right. And we've got Don Taylor turning 72 years old this year. Don is in Liberal, Missouri.
His hands are full. Karah Lankford, a happy birthday in Carterville. I got this one. This one's mine. So, yeah, little short story for everybody. And my mom knows this. That woman right there I refer to her as mom number 2, because sometimes when you're young and ignorant and like don't know what to do when you get to a new place at work, you need a mom number 2 to take you by the hand and walk you through like becoming an adult. And that's the woman in my life that did that right there. And Debbie, I will never, ever forget everything that you've done for me and helping me become an adult. Happy birthday to Miss Debbie Auman in Riverton.
All right, happy birthday, Debbie. She was also here helping me out in that much the same way when I first came here.
I love you like
15
Debbie,
years ago.
I love you like a mom, you know that.
Yeah. Happy birthday, Debbie. Bill and Kathy Parrish are celebrating their 43rd anniversary. There's a little throwback picture there from Crestline, Kansas.
We gotta get an update on Bill's hair. I hope it's the same. This is what it was 43 years ago in that picture. That's great. And Vernie and Barbara Broyles, they're celebrating their 59th anniversary. Congratulations to the Broyles. They are celebrating in Neosho. That's an awesome hat that Vernie has as well. That is good looking. Good looking, sir. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this June the 9th. That's where you can send them into. Birthdays at KOAM-TV.com should you choose to go the email route, or if you go online, you can go to KOAMnewsnow.com/birthdays. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.